Hey, Todd here. So the people at Exprotrek here sent me their 4K action camera to see what I think, test it out, give it a little review. But first things first, let's see what's in the box. Okay, so let's get a look at what comes in the box. And what it says right here, 40 meters underwater, dual screen, Wi-Fi, UHD 4K. Ultra HD 4K. So let's see what we got in here. A little discount thing from Amazon. You've got your manual, battery, another battery, a couple batteries. You got the camera itself in a waterproof housing. Oh boy, that doesn't, oh, there it is. Feels really light, no battery in it. Got that so far. What do we got over here? And we've got, holy cow, a bunch of accessories. Clip. Wow. Okay, so a lot of accessories. A zip tie and a cable, safety cable in there. Some extra stickers. Looks like a wrist strap thing for the remote, which is nice. Got that there. So you've got a little wrist strap, something like that, and then you bring this guy around, bring it through, lock it down. So that's pretty nice. Photo, video, that's cool. Handlebar connection. Oh, this is a little clip. Clip it onto you somewhere, that's nice. Sticky mount. Oh, quarter 20 mount, that's nice. Other adjustment. Cable for charging. So all kinds of different mounts and things, so that's really nice. And then this guy, I don't know what this one is. Let's see what this is here. Maybe a tripod mount, I guess, yeah. To put it on your tripod. That's nice. Give you that little mount there. It's very, it's just plastic from what I can feel so far. But definitely a lot of accessories that come with it. All kinds of different Velcro here. And other straps, so that's nice as well. Okay, so a fair amount of different things to mess around with. So we'll peel off these little guys here and start taking a look at, we'll go out and mess around and get some footage. Okay, decided to head out to the river to give this little camera some run through. Messing around with this little Exprotrek camera over the weekend here, playing a little golf too. But I've got the camera set up right here, capturing some time lapse of the sunset. So we'll see how this time lapse footage looks. So we've got the EIS, their image smoothing system, whatever they're calling it,
turned on, so we'll take a look at that using the wrist on and off switch. We're out on the street here, so it's a little noisy. Also giving this a little sound check too. It's got the plastic case on it with the holes in the back, so we'll see what we can hear here. I don't want to get run over, but let's give this one with the EIS turned on. Give it a try. Now we're going 30 frames per second, 4K again, no image EIS turned on, and we'll see what that looks like. So that's a look at their anti-shake function, their EIS. Didn't see a huge difference between the two. I would personally just keep it on, and I would definitely shoot with this thing in its case that it comes with. The camera itself, I don't think it would take a very good shot if you dropped it, like I've dropped my GoPros in the past. They do pretty well if they hit the ground. But yeah, I would definitely keep it in the case. And with this one with the slots in the back, you pick up the sound. It's definitely muffled. It's not great, but the safety of the case I would go with over the fact that, you know, the sound's not great. And plus, most of the time, I'm not really worried about recording sound on this thing. For me, and it's an action camera. So yeah, next up, let's take this thing underwater and see how the footage from that looks. Okay, we're in the pool in the backyard. Got the action camera, got my great nephew here. We're doing some swimming, testing this thing underwater. What do you think so far?
Yeah.
Think it's cool?
Yeah.
It's cool. All right, so we're getting 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. All right, so we're gonna get back to swimming. Here you go. That was a blast, having some fun in the pool with a little action camera here with my great nephews, so my brother's sons, kids, the twins. We were just having a blast in the pool, goofing around. But this is a great little entry-level action camera. You got the front screen and the rear screen on this thing. Menu is super easy to work with. I don't like to use the manual much, but you can switch to the front screen here, and as well as on the back, you just switch back and forth. Really simple. All the footage I shot with this, I didn't color, didn't grade. It was all auto ISO, auto color, everything just straight out of the camera. So it looks pretty decent for this entry level that it is. I would definitely recommend still putting this guy into the case. It's I don't think it would be that sturdy if this fell without the case, and I've dropped these GoPros a number of times, type of thing, these action cameras, and this one I think you'd want to have the case on. I'll put a link into the description below where you can click on it and check one out for yourself, but at the price point I think it's a good little action camera. Something I would, give to a kid or something to goof around with. The buttons on this thing all work really nice in the case. yeah, works really well. Give it a try, see what you think. And until next time, I'm out.